Ama namin, pakinggan mo po ang pagtawag namin sa iyong banal na pangalan. Basbasan mo po ang aming pagtitipon at kami kaluguran mo sa araw na ito. Pagyamanin mo po, Panginoon, at maging nakaayon sa iyong kalooban ang aming pagkikita-kita mula sa simula hanggang katapusan. Masalamin nawa namin ang layunin mong dakila sa aming buhay at may sagawa namin ngayon ang aming mga gawain na may kabutihan at pag-ibig sa aming kapwa. Kami po'y naninikluhod sa iyong harapan na kami iyong patnubayan at iwaksi sa aming kaisipan ang anumang masasamang kaisipan, inggit at pakikipag-alit sa aming mga kasama. Bigyan mo kami ng sapat na lakas at katalinuhan upang maibahagi naman namin ang aming makakaya sa aming mga kasama sa pagtitipon na ito. Panalangin namin ang lahat ng ito sa pangalan ng iyong bugtong na anak na si Jesus. Amen.
Good afternoon, class. Today we will be discussing about commissions. I'm sure guys, lagi nyo naririnig ang tungkol sa commission. Lalo ngayon na kayo ay rumaraket, gusto nyo kumita, may iba't ibang ways para kayo ay kumita sa inyong sariling pamamaraan. Yung iba sa inyo nagbebenta, nagre-resell, yung iba naman sa inyo salita lang ang puhunan, okay? Salita lang, tapos ang binebenta nila ay mula dun sa ibang tao. At kapag nakapagbenta sila ay bibigyan ng porsyento mula doon sa pinagbentahan ng may-ari ng inyong binebenta. Okay? Sa madaling sabi, ang tawag doon ay komisyon. Yan. Lagi ninyong naririnig yan at I'm sure yung iba sa inyo familiar na dyan. Pinapractice na yan para kumita. Yan ang komisyon. Okay? So, para sa lesson natin ngayon, after going through this discussion, you are expected to first illustrate the different types of commissions. Second is compute commissions on cash basis and commission on installment. So, merong cash, meron ding installment. At pangatlo, compute payment, gross balance, and current increase. Ano ba yung mga yan? So, later on, madidiscuss natin yan. So, let us continue. Now, in a brokerage firm, pinag-usapan natin commission. So, merong kumpanya na tinatawag na brokerage. Okay? In a brokerage firm, agents make money out of commissions. Yan. Kumikita yung kumpanya sa pamamagitan lamang ng komisyon. More often than not, commissions are percentages based on the net sales. Okay, note yan guys, based on the net sales. That is, higher sales mean higher commission. So kapag mas mataas ang benta mo, mas mataas ang komisyon. Pag mas mababa ang benta mo, syempre, mas mababa rin ang komisyon. The computation of commission is commonly used in payrolls of salespeople. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito, yung ibang tao, ang pinakasweldo nila ay galing mismo sa komisyon. Wala nang iba pa. Pero meron ding iba na meron pang sweldo bukod dun sa commission. Okay? Note that the process and rates of computation may differ from one company to another. Varied examples will be discussed as an attempt to cover the common practices of companies in paying commissions to their employees. So, ang i-discuss natin guys, ito yung mga common o karaniwang scheme ng mga kumpanya sa pagbabayad nila ng komisyon sa kanilang mga ahente. So, commissions are computed as portion of the net sales. Some companies pay their salespeople based on straight commissions. The pay of these salespeople is entirely based on the amount of their sales. Yan yung unang way, no? Base lang talaga sa kanilang net sales ang kanilang kinikita. Okay? No sales means no pay. Other companies pay their salespeople with fixed salary plus commission. Commission rates may be constant for all sales amount or it may be a variable scaled on the amount of sales. So ano ba yung schemes na yan pagdating sa commission? Sige, tayo ay magdiretso na sa types of commissions. Okay, the first one is straight commission. This is given when a person is paid on a percentages of sales only. Kung magkano ang kanilang benta, doon kukuhanin ang kanilang komisyon sa pamamagitan ng percent o bahagi ng kanilang benta. So, example natin ay ito. A stockbroker receives a commission of 7% for selling annuities to her clients. If she sells 250,000, how much commission will she earn? So, ito ay napakadaling intindihin at napakadali lang isolve. No? Sabi, straight commission. Therefore, ang solution dito ay ganito lang kasimple, no? 7% ang commission base sa sales. Therefore, 250,000 multiplied by 0.07 or 7%. So, ang sagot dun ay 17,500. So, yun na mismo yung kinita ng broker. 17,500. Okay. Pangalawang example, Harry receives 30% commission on the appliances he sells. If he sells a TV for 17,000, a refrigerator for 20,000, and a heater for 22,000, how much does Harry make in commission? So, since Harry receives 30% commission based on sales, ito ang kanyang kikitain. Yung 17,000 para sa TV, 20,000, heater, refrigerator, 22,000 sa heater. So, i-multiply nyo ang 3% sa lahat ng iyon and you will get 17,700. Okay? So, ganun guys yung pag-compute pagka-straight commission lang. Okay. Ang pangalawa natin ay ang salary plus commission. This is exactly as it sounds. A person gets paid a salary and a percent of sales. Ibig sabihin, may sweldo na, may commission pa. Example natin. Christian works as a sales agent for a company and earns a basic monthly salary of 8,000 plus 5% commission on all his sales. If he made total sales of 50,000 for the month, how much is the gross pay for the month? So, ito ang solusyon. Para sa kanyang komisyon, 50,000 times 5%. So, equals 2,500. Yun yung komisyon, no? Plus yung 8,000 na kanyang monthly salary. Therefore, Christian will earn 10,500 salary and commission. Okay? Second example, Harry decides to work for another company that will pay him 17,500 per week and 6% of any sales above 150,000. If he sold goods worth 284,400, what is his gross pay? Okay. No, sabi rito, may commission siya na 6% kapag nakabenta siya above 150,000. Siyempre kapag below 150,000, wala kang commission. Therefore, sa solusyon natin, no, nakapagbenta siya ng kabuuang 284,400. I-minus natin si 150,000. So, yung 134,400, dyan lang magmumula ang komisyon. Multiply by 6% equals 8,064. Yun ang kanyang komisyon. Okay? Tapos, 17,500 para sa kanyang sweldo at ang kabuuang kanyang na-earn ay 25,564. Okay? Now, number 3 is the graduated commission. This is when percentage changes based on how much someone sells. Ano ba ito? Ito yung example natin. Steve works for a company that pays him 1% on the first 250,000 pesos sold, 2% on the next 750,000, and 3% on all sales over 1 million. What is his gross pay if he sells 1,250,000? Okay? Ang solusyon natin ay ito. At tandaan natin guys 1% on the first 250,000, 2% on the next 750,000, and 3% on all sales over 1 million. Okay, kunin muna natin yung sa 1%. 250,000 times 1%. So, meron na siyang commission doon, 2,500. Ngayon, ang kabuang benta niya ay 1,250,000. So, i-minus na natin doon yung 250,000. So, ang magiging basis ngayon ng kanyang 2% ay 1 million na lang. Kasi binawas na natin si 250,000 na kinuhanan na mismo natin ng 1%. Sa 750,000 ngayon ay kasi ang sabi rito 2% on the next 750,000. So 750,000 multiplied by 2% is equals to 15,000. Therefore, i-minus ulit natin si 750,000 mula kay 1,000. So, may natitira ka na lang na 250,000 para kuhanan mo ng iyong komisyon ng 3%. So, 250,000 times 3% is equals to 7,500. Therefore, yung total earnings niya ng kanyang komisyon ay 25,000. So, yan yung sa graduated commission. Habang tumataas ang benta mo, nagbabago at tumataas din ang iyong commissions rate. Second example, Anna, the assistant manager of a clothing store, earns a salary of 17,500 per month. She also receives a 5% commission on the first 450,000 she sells and 6% commission on sales above 450,000. If Anna sold 850,000 worth of clothes last month, what was her total pay? So the solution is, for the first commission, 450,000 times 5%. Okay, so ang sagot dyan ay 22,500. Yan yung kanyang unang komisyon. And then, mula doon sa kabuang benta niya, i-minus na natin si 450,000. So, 400,000 na lang. At dito na ibabase yung 6% naman. So, ang sagot dyan ay 24,000 para sa kanyang second commission. So therefore, 22,500 plus 24,000 is equals to 46,500. Tapos meron pa siyang 17,500 na sweldo kada buwan. Therefore, ang komisyon niya ay 64, komisyon at sweldo niya ay 64,000 pesos. So, yan yung sa graduated commission, no? Second example natin. And then, meron din tayo, guys, tinatawag na cash versus installment. Computing commissions on cash basis. Okay? This type of commission is similar to computing straight commission. So, pareho lang daw sila dun sa pag-compute ng straight commission. Kevin works at Luna's watch store. For every cash purchase of a watch, she gets 6.1% commission. In a particular month, he was able to sell 10 watches costing 18,000 each. How much was his total commission for such cash sales? So, the solution is, so yung total sales niya, no, 18,000 per watch. Multiply by 10 kasi 10 yung nabenta niya, do. So, meron, yung 10 relo ay nagkakahalaga ng 180,000. Okay, mula doon sa 180,000, ang kanyang komisyon ay 6.1%. So, ang sagot ay 10,980. Therefore, Kevin's total commission is 10,980. So, pareho lang sila doon sa proseso ng pag-compute ng straight commission. Okay. Second, commission on installment basis. Commission is computed based on partial payments upon the agreed installment method. Okay, example tayo. At Luna's store, some items are paid on installment basis through credit cards. Kevin was able to sell 10 watches costing 18,000 each. Each transaction is payable in 6 months, divided into 6 equal installments without interest. Kevin gets 2% commission on the first month for each of the 10 watches. Commission decreases by 3% every month or by 0.3% every month. Therefore, and computed on the outstanding balance for the month. How much commission does Mike receive on the first month? And on the second month, third, fourth, fifth, sixth month? At the end of the installment period, how much will be his total commission? So, solution natin dito, kunin natin siya per month basis. Okay? So, yung first month, no, 18,000 pesos per watch, tas ang nabenta ay 10, kuha agad dun ang 2% commission. So, meron na siyang commission agad na 3,600. Sa second month naman, okay, 15,000 per watch times 10 watches times yung 0.02, mabawasan natin ng, sabi 0.3% ang ibabawas every month doon sa commissions rate na mula doon sa nagsimula sa 2%. Okay? Kasi installment nga ito. So, 6 monthly installment siya. So, sa second month, commission, no, 15,000 per watch times 10 watch o 10 watches times mo doon sa 2% na binawasan natin ng 0.3% every month. Okay, ang sagot dyan ay 2,550. Third month. So, 12,000 per month per watch times 10 watches. So, bawasan ulit natin ng 0.003 or 0.3% mula doon sa 0.017 na neto mula doon sa unang bawas. Okay? So, nakakuha tayo ng amount na 1,680. So, ganyan lang siya guys, ang procedure, no? 4th month, 5th month, 6th month. Okay? Take note guys na the base price of the watch is subtracted by 3% for each month since it was stated in the problem that the price will be paid in 6 monthly or equal payments. Kaya 3,000 yan. 18,000 divided by 6 is equals to 3,000. Kaya binabawasan ng 3,000 kada buwan. So, his total commission for 6 months is 9,450. So, yan yung sa cash versus installment. Okay? Ayan. Installment basis ang pangalawa. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na down payment. Down payment is an initial payment made when something is bought on credit. The down payment is a first payment that one makes when one buys something with an agreement to pay the rest later. So, itong down payment guys, hindi na tayo lahat bago rito. Alam na natin lahat ang tungkol sa down payment. So, how do we obtain down payment? Example 1. When one purchases a car or any big item, not through cash but installment terms, normally a certain down payment is required for the buyer. Car dealers normally require a minimum down payment which is usually 20% of the total cost of the vehicle purchased. The interest on the remaining balance is then computed depending on the number of years a buyer would want to amortize the remaining balance. If a car costs 1 million and a minimum 20% down payment is required by the company, then the buyer will have an initial cash out of 200,000. Okay, paano nakuha yun? 1 million times 20%. Kasi yun yung down payment. The rest of 800,000 will be amortized monthly. And the amount of monthly amortization depends on the number of years the buyer will want to pay the loan. Normally, buyers prefer 3 years or 5 years payment period. The lesser the number of years, the lesser the total amount paid as interest to the loan. But with this arrangement, the monthly amortization will be considerably higher than what one chooses to pay the balance for longer number of years. So, ganito lang yan guys, no? Pagka ikaw ay, halimbawa mangungutang, kotse or kahit ano, appliances, anything, computer, okay? May requirement na down payment. Okay? Tapos, pag nabawas na yung down payment, naibayad mo na yung down payment, kung magkano yung balanse, doon i-apply ang interest. So, depende sa iyo kung gusto mong bayaran ito ng mas maikling panahon or mas mahabang panahon. Ano effect nun? Pag mas maikli ang panahon, nababayaran mo yan, mas mataas ang monthly na babayaran mo, pero sa interest yan, mas maliit na interest. Compare mo doon sa babayaran mo siya ng mas matagal na panahon or sabihin natin ilang buwan na higit kaysa doon sa unang scheme. Okay? Dito naman sa pangalawa, no? Ang mangyayari niyan, mas maliit yung babayaran mo per month, pero ang interest mo naman tumataas. Okay? Kasi may monthly interest na ina-apply. So, kung kayo ay mamimili between the two, syempre magko-compute kayo. Hindi yung basta pili lang ng pili, no? Nakita nyo, ay, mas maliit ang babayaran per month, ito na lang. Okay? Tapos, nung nabayaran nyo na lahat-lahat, nag-compute kayo, nakita nyo doon sa interest na binayaran nyo, sobrang laki. Manghihinayang kayo. Okay. Diba? Okay, example number 2. Companies selling houses or condo units lure buyers by stating that no down payment is required. Ganyan din guys yung scheme na ginagamit sa mga gustong bumili ng motor o mag-loan ng mga motor. 'Di ba? Tayo ay anong tawag doon? Natutukso agad kasi no down payment. Okay? Kaya kukuha agad tayo. So ganyan yung ginagawa nilang scheme, no? The reservation fee paid is deductible when the buyer decides to proceed with the purchase. Otherwise, it will be forfeited in favor of the company. After the reservation fee has been paid, the buyer is told to pay the monthly amortization. For instance, 10,000 pesos per month for 2 years without interest. At the end of 2 years, the remaining balance will now be subjected to an interest either through in-house or bank financing. O, dito naman sa scheme na ito sa example number 2, nagbayad ka ng reservation, pero yung i-apply na rin yung 10,000 na reservation doon sa iyong bayad talaga sa monthly. Ngayon, for 2 years, magbayad ka ng 10,000 per month. Walang interest yan. Kaso, after 2 years, dun na magko-compute ng interest. Yan. So, we also have gross balance. This refers to the total amount of money a bank has on deposit before adjusting for uncleared checks or deposits, as well as reserve requirements. That is, the book balance is a measure of what the bank has on hand before adding or subtracting regulatory obligations and items that will soon appear on its books. This is the term used by banks to describe the amount of money available before any adjustment is made for deposits in transit, checks that have not been cleared, and reserve requirements and interest received from float funds. Okay, guys, itong gross balance na ito, sinasabi lang dito yung total amount ng pera mo na nasa bangko bago magkaroon ng adjustment. Yung mga adjustment, yung sa uncleared checks, at saka sa mga deposits, at saka sa iba-iba pa, no? So, example natin, a simple case of gross balance refers to what is readily available for you to use based on your bank deposits. O, example, a check amounting to 5,000 that has been deposited today may not be withdrawn the next day because it has not cleared yet. If your bank passbook currently contains 30,000, you may not be able to withdraw the whole amount because your gross balance is 25,000 since your check has not yet been cleared. Okay? So, sinasabi dito guys na kapag may cheque, limbawa, at dineposit mo yung cheque, binayad sa'yo ni customer, tapos i-deposit mo na sa account mo. Kasi yung mga cheque ay kiniklear pa yan. Dumadaan yan sa clearing. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng clearing? Lalo pagka ibang bangko ang involved. Ang bangko mo, PNB, ang cheque ay galing sa nagbayad sa'yo, ang kanyang bangko ay Land Bank. So, may clearing yan. Ano yung clearing? Pagka-endorse mo sa bangko, si bangko, idadaan mo na sa clearing, ibig sabihin na alamin niya kay Land Bank kung meron bang pondo o wala. Diba? Sapat para ibawas dun sa account. Kaya ganyan, no? Ibig sabihin, hangga't hindi pa ka pa naki-cleared, hindi mo pa mawi-withdraw yung amount na yon. So, ganyan guys, yung gross balance, no? Ito yung readily available for you to use based on your bank deposits. Readily available. Okay. So, lastly, we have current increased balance. This refers to the total amount you have to pay that includes penalties or interest incurred by unpaid balance from a loan or payment you are supposed to have made but was not able to do so on time. Guys, usually yung sa mga credit cards dito ina-apply. Diba? Sino sa inyo may mga credit cards? Sa atin, sa holder ng credit card, no? Parang piyesta yan. Ang feeling niyan piyesta kasi every time, kahit walang perang cash na dala, pwedeng makabili sa different establishments. Pero guys, no, tingnan natin muna ang effect ng paggamit ng credit card. At ano ba ang policy surrounding the use of the credit cards. Okay, for example, tingnan natin itong example na sinasabi rito. As of this month's cut-off date, the current total amount due from your purchase using your credit card is 99,386.59. So, yan daw yung nagastos mo o inutang mo galing sa credit card mo. The minimum required payment is 5% of the total amount. If you pay only the minimum required payment, a financing charge of 3.4% of the remaining balance will be charged to the next bill. Assuming you refrain from using your credit card on any of your purchases for the next 3 months, and the financing charge of 3.4% is applied every billing period, show your expected monthly bill for the next month. Ito ang solution, guys. No? Kasi yung mga credit card na yan, mayroon silang kondisyon na ito ang minimum mong babayaran. Okay? Pagbabayad mo ng credit card. 5%. Okay? The excess or the rest ay mapapatawan ng interest na 3.4%. Okay? At iyon ay magre-reflect sa iyong next month's bill. So, given the current bill of 99,386, the minimum required payment is 5% of 99,000 plus. Magkano siya? 4,969.33. Ngayon, kung yan lang ang babayaran mo out of 99,000 na utang mo, okay, nagkakaroon ka ng subject to interest na 94,417.26. Assuming na wala kang dagdag na inutang for the next 3 months. So, tingnan natin guys ang computation. Okay? So, time, no? It represents T. And this is 4 months. So, total amount due for the month, yung 0 month, kung kailan ka nangutang, 99,386. Minimum payment for the month is 5% ng 99,000, which is 4,969.33. So, ibawas na natin si 4,969.33 kay 99,386. Okay? Plus natin yung 99,386.59 times 3.4%. So, therefore, 99,386.59 minus 4,969. Kasi yung 49 na yan ay yung required payment. Okay? So, doon mo i-apply yung 3.4% na financing charge. So, 94,417 plus yung 94,417.26 times 0.034. Sa first month, meron kang makukompute ng 97,627.45. So, lalabas guys na yan yung balance mo. So, bawas na dyan yung required. So, second month mo, paano mako-compute? 97,627.45 ng unang buwan. I-minus ulit natin yung magkano? 4,881.37. 5% yan ng 97,627.45. So, second month mo, nakuha mo yung 95,899. At for that second month, yung minimum payment mo na 5% ay 4,794.97. And then, ganun pa rin guys, ang proseso sa third month, okay, ibabawas mo na ngayon si 4,794.97. Kung yun lang talaga ang binayaran mo. So, therefore, yung natitira dyan ay subject to interest. Ngayon, observe that for the next 3 months, a total of 14,386.44 has already been paid for the credit card bills. Di ba? Ang laki na, 14,000 na. However, only 5,184.56 has been deducted so far from the original debt or doon sa principal. Yun lang ang nabawas out of 14,000 na binayaran mo kasi the excess ay applied sa interest. Diba guys? From the above example, your minimum required payment of 4,969.33 serves as your down payment for your loan of 99,386.59, leaving you with a balance of 94,417.26 at the start of the month. However, there is a finance charge of 3.4% if you're not able to pay for the next month. Your current increased balance will become 97,697 o 627.45. So, kumbaga guys, nang dahil sa interest na binabayaran mo, kasi hindi ka agad nagbabayad ng malakihan, no? Kasi ang binabayaran mo lang ay laging minimum, no? Patong-patong ang nagiging interest. Kaya yung akala mong ang laki na binayaran mo, kung tutusin, konti pa lang talaga. Okay? Kaya kapag hindi ka pa nagbayad the succeeding month, no, mayroon kang additional na naman na interest at baka may penalty ka pa. Ayan, magkakaroon ka pa ng penalty kapag hindi ka nagbayad ng minimum. So, ganyan guys, no? Kaya kayo, kung may credit card kayo, bago kayo mangutang, gamitin yung credit card nyo, lalo kung malaking halaga ng uutangin nyo, mag-compute muna kayo. Planuhin kung kailan ninyo mababayaran ang inutang ninyo. Kasi kung hindi nyo agad mababayaran, interest lang ng interest yan, mababaon kayo sa interest hanggang sa hindi nyo na mabayaran. Okay? So, guys, ito yung ating naging lesson, no? Tungkol sa commission at saka yung sa down payment at gayon din yung sa cash versus installment at yung current increased balance. Ibig sabihin, yung balance mo dahil sa interest, tumaas pa rin ng tumaas ang iyong balance. Okay? Kung bumaba man, napakaliit lang ng ibinaba. Kaya ang masasabi natin ulit guys, no? Huwag kayong magbabayad sa credit card ng minimum lang. Dahil ang interest, dyan kayo matatalo. For our question of the week, true or false? Charlie is a sales engineer receiving a basic monthly compensation of $13,500 and 1% commission on all sales. He will receive $14,745 and 80 centavos gross earnings for the month if he will be able to sell 124,580 pesos. Is it true or false? Justify your answer. Comment down your answers at the comment section. So hanggang sa muli guys,